In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your own picture on PowerPoint, whether you're getting a slide ready for a class, a meeting, or a quick photo showcase. Adding your own image is simple and fast. We'll do this in a web browser, and if you're using the desktop app, the flow is very similar. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for PowerPoint. Click the official Microsoft PowerPoint link to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your account so your work saves safely. If you use more than one account, just make sure you're in the one where you want this presentation to live. On the home screen, choose Create Blank Presentation. PowerPoint will open a new slide with a basic title layout. You don't have to change the layout for this. Adding a picture works the same either way. Along the top of the screen, find the Insert tab and click it. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding content. Next, choose Pictures. You'll see options for different sources. Select this device to upload a photo stored on your computer. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, click the file you want, and then choose Open or Insert. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. If your image has a transparent background, a PNG is usually best. Once the picture appears on the slide, click it to select it. To move it, drag the image to wherever you want. To resize without stretching, use the corner handles and drag inward or outward. If you notice the picture warping, undo and resize again using a corner handle. You can also rotate the image using the small rotation handle above it. As you move things around, alignment guides may appear to help you center the picture or line it up with other objects. If the image overlaps your title or blocks other content, simply reposition the picture or the text boxes until everything is readable. For a full slide look, drag the corners of the picture so it reaches the edges of the slide. If you prefer a smaller photo, keep some margins so the slide doesn't feel crowded. That's all you need to put your own picture on PowerPoint. Your presentation saves automatically in the web app, so you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and have fun customizing your slides with your own images.